Good morning, friends. Happy Saturday. I thought I would take you all along with me for another productive day in my life. It's been a minute since I've vlogged. I got a new tripod, so I feel all like fancy and official with it right now. Anywho, we're out in the city right now, my roommate and I. Last night we celebrated her 23rd birthday. I'll insert a couple of clips here. We've been on Facebook Market going crazy because we've been trying to furnish our new apartment in the past couple of weeks. It's gonna be our 1-month anniversary in our new spot next week, and I actually leave to Florida on Monday.
You see my cousin's shirt?
Okay. Hello. So
Chocolate. This is incredible. Wow, we should do this every day. It's quite an lifestyle there.
no, really, yeah. Thank you, Red Bay, and thank you, Sweet Bar Bakery. I haven't had a dirty chai in so long. The last time I had one was at a small bakery in Denver. It's called Stella's, and their stuff was really strong. Sweet Bar Bakery is one of my favorite places to go in Oakland. I haven't gone back in a long time. They were closed during quarantine and they just recently reopened. It's so crazy because I have a lot of funny stories from that bakery. I've gone on a few awkward dates in that bakery. I love their lemon bars. Their pastries are all really, really good. And they also have avocado toast and stuff too there, which is cool. We're about to head back to the apartment now, and then I have to get my work day started. I have a meeting at 11. And then, yeah, these people on Facebook Market never ended up responding because I was looking at this bookshelf, but they weren't willing to lower the price. So it wasn't meant to be, especially if you're gonna be like driving out and going to pick it up, and with the virus still going around, it's kind of like scary. So I feel like you have to be very selective about what you're getting. We just got this kitchen island yesterday. We bought it online, and then we just also got this air fryer, which I'm so excited to start using. I wasn't expecting this wood to be this orange, so yesterday we went to Home Depot and we bought some wood stains for it. I don't know if any of you ever get sick of watching cleaning montages, but I feel like they're so relaxing, so I'm just gonna clean for a second. Hello everyone, welcome to my room. I'm gonna do a quick makeup look. So I do also need to start packing today. I started to break out a little bit yesterday because I honestly was not eating the healthiest. I was snacking a lot, I was drinking soda. Usually that makes me break out, so that's why I try to stay away from it. There we go. Okay, this bun's just gonna have to stay like that for right now. I feel like I've been really trying to stay motivated to keep working on things, but I kind of took a rest week this week to kind of reset and actually relax before I go home. Because even though going home will, you know, be relaxing as well, it's kind of different when you're living on your own. You want to kind of soak up the space that you're in and be present with yourself. I feel like that's something that I've been trying to practice a lot. Each day just seems a little busier as we're approaching the new school year. So to give you an update on that, I was hired at a elementary school and I'm going to be starting the first week of August. The palette I'm using, I'm so excited that I found it. It's the Physicians Formula Butter Collection with Whaley. If you have not jumped on this bandwagon, I know I'm late, but look, I love this palette. It's amazing. So you guys can see it comes with like 6 different shades, and I'm obsessed with everything in here. The fallout is kind of a lot though, so it's a little dusty, but it's really, really soft. And I like to do a little bit on my eyelids. I also like to contour a little bit, but it's like super pigmented, you see? So I have to like really blend it out. Then I like to do this color mixed with a little bit of the gold for my cheeks. I like it when my blush is a little more bold, so you could like really see that I'm blushing. Wow, I'm very impressed. This is like less than 10 minutes. And of course, our tried and true CoverGirl mascara. I'm gonna take down my hair. So I blow dried my hair the day before yesterday, and I was also just cooking a lot yesterday. I'm trying to not wash my hair until tomorrow night or early Monday morning. I think we're getting there. We're getting there. Alright friends, let's do a little unboxing, shall we? I wanted to share with you all a few things that I've been picking up the past few weeks. Right now you're all sitting on a beautiful little new tripod I bought. It's from Manfrotto. It's I just got it off Amazon, and it's so funny because when I used to work for my retail job, I used to have to stock Manfrotto tripods, and I just never thought that I would really get one, and so now being able to upgrade my gear feels really, really good. And then the other tripod I got is this big one. I read a lot of reviews on it, and apparently it's really good, and I think it's very heavy duty. I needed something that was way more heavy duty than my Amazon Basics one, because that one pretty much broke and she lived her last life to the very end, and that tripod like literally went through hell and back with me. So that's why we got a new one. I love that this is yellow and it's like way more sturdy. It'll be very, very useful for when I get like a bigger camera later on. Right now I'm still using my Canon G7X and I love it just as much, but I'm thinking about getting another camera. I just want to challenge myself more when it comes to filming and making videos because I really enjoy it, and I think that's why I haven't really been posting as often as I usually do, just because I feel like unmotivated and kind of uninspired. I can wear it. I also ended up getting these webcam covers. We're gonna open them right now because I don't know what these look like, but I watched a documentary a few years ago about the dark interwebs, and I know, oh my god, it comes with a little handkerchief. How cute. But this comes with a set of 3. No. Okay, but that's what it looks like. And basically you stick it onto your laptop, and then you can you can hide your screen or hide your webcam, so that way people can't hack into your system and watch you, and that's scary. So I'm gonna be putting one on my laptop right now actually. So that's what the instructions look like. We're gonna peel this black part, the adhesive. Just slide it to the left and it's super. I got another package of my skincare. Lately I've still been using the Curology, still been testing it out, and so far it's been doing okay for my skin. It's been a couple of months, so I'm still using their same formula. Looks like this. Comes with your cleanser, your moisturizer, and like a spot treatment. My skin is pretty sensitive too, so I usually have to be really careful about what I'm using. This is not sponsored, by the way. They did gift this to me, but they're not paying me to say these things. So it comes with the cleanser. I also just really like the packaging of it. It's like very sleek and clean. And then this is the treatment. And then, of course, the moisturizer. The moisturizer is probably my favorite because it doesn't dry out my skin, and it's still like very lightweight, and it's good for the summertime. I also recently received more skincare to try out. So I got another package. This is from Coco Kind. Thank you so, so much. Wow, check it out, y'all. Okay, let me take this. On the inside it says, "It's nice to meet you." Some rose water toner. Oil to milk cleanser. Glow essence with sea grape caviar. Wow. Pore refining concentrate. Okay, love. Texture smoothing cream. Yes, I'm all here for it. Resurfacing sleep mask. We have chia facial oil and vitamin C serum with sea grape caviar. And then this is the chlorophyll mask. Oh my goodness, so much stuff. These are skin nourishing highlighter. So I think this is like a gold, this is like a bronzy, and this is like a rose gold. How exciting! Oh man, I cannot wait to try these. I'm taking all of this with me to Florida, by the way, because I'm gonna be testing out these products there. Oh my gosh, thank you so much, Coco Kind, for sending this over. I'm super duper excited to try these out. So, okay, let's keep it going. Yesterday I made some lemongrass chicken, so I put that leftover with my rice.
Pepper shakers, and to clearly we don't have a lot of counter space.
show you my old vision board from a few years ago. This was the year before last year, I think. Yeah, it's just so crazy. A lot of things were checked off of my vision board, and it's just really exciting to see it. And now, like, reminiscing on it. Anybody who has been in my life has taught me a lot, and I think I'm just realizing that, like, wow, like, I'm very blessed, you know? So it feels really good to, like, be in that abundance and kind of coming to terms with learning how to receive love and abundance as you deserve it. Because for a long time, like, I would tell myself, like, no, like, I don't deserve this. This is, like, fake, or there's a catch. There's always a catch to everything. But you also deserve good things. I deserve good things. And I work hard. And you work hard, so we should receive it and say thank you and keep it pushing. So yeah, anyways, that's my little spiel. Okay. I don't know when I'm gonna be able to get this table thing done. I'm kind of over it. Oh, this is a snickerdoodle cookie from Sweet Bar Bakery. So good. And then this is their lemon bar. The lemon bars are literally my favorite. So good. I'm kind of sad that I stained it. I think I kind of ruined it, the table, but. Hello friends, I'm here to update you all. So, I hate the paint. Okay, basically I'm trying to take it off right now. I found out that you can actually use 100% acetone if you don't have anything at home, like, because it says that you should be using mineral spirits to remove paint or the stains, but I don't have mineral spirits, so I use the rest of my acetone. I think I've decided that I don't know if I really want to stain the other table. Maybe I do after I get more sandpaper and stuff, but basically this project needs to be put on pause because I'm not in love with it and I kind of regret my decision. So let's start packing. Definitely gonna bring this number because it's one of my favorite summer dresses. The first week of August will be the 1-year anniversary since my grandma had passed, and we're gonna be hosting a very big ceremony for her, so I want to make sure that I stay until then. There's a chance that I also start my first week of work that week as well, so we shall see how it goes. I may or may not have overpacked just a little bit. It's around 10 something right now. This is what the first suitcase looks like. It's pretty much filled to the brim. I started packing some of my toiletries in this little bag here. Travel size shampoo and conditioner. This is the Renewing and Argan Oil of Morocco conditioner. I used to use this a lot when I was back in high school, so just thought I would stick to what I know. Works best for my hair. Absolutely love this body wash. Literally the best thing ever. Finally gonna be able to use my Conchic sunscreen, but it's a cushion sunscreen, so that'll be exciting to use. So for dinner tonight, we are doing a random concoction because we're trying to finish up stuff in the house before we go grocery shopping tomorrow. Some tomato soup going.